I already posted a range of videos on how you can geocode data in R using various packages, mostly based on the OpenStreetMap API, which is a free service built up around an API that can geocode location names into latitude and longitude coordinates. In this video I wanted to show a quick example on how you can geocode, for example, location names using a module in Python called Geopy. Geopy can be installed with pip install, and this is a module that provides access to a range of geocoding services. In this video I'm gonna show an example with the Nominatum service, which is a service built up around OpenStreetMap API. As you can see here, I'm importing the Geopy module after having installed it with the pip install command, and I'm using the Nominatum constructor to create a Nominatum service object, which is this geocoding service object built up around OpenStreetMap API. And now I can use the service object to access the function geocode, which will generate a location object based on a location name. The location name has to be in form of string, so here the location name is Berlin in Germany, and as you can see, the function returns a location object. This object, as I'm also showing here in this example, has attributes, one of them being the latitude and another one being the longitude. So using these location objects with their latitude and longitude scores, I could, for example, create a marker on a map by using the Folium module for generating a map. This is also something I showed in a separate video and in a separate blog post. Folium is a module in Python built up around leaflet in JSON script. And using the map constructor, I can create a map centered around the location object by accessing its latitude and longitude coordinates. And I can now set the zoom set level to 5, which will adjust the zoom level. And I can also create marker objects using the marker constructor from the Folium module. Again, a marker located at the location object. And then I can add the markers to the map. Lastly, then displaying the map that you can see down here. So just a simple workflow using Geopy in combination with Folium to show you how you can geocode and visualize spatial data in Python. In the video description you can find a link which will take you to this coding example which I published on my blog.